Want to speak English fluently in daily life? Here are powerful phrases using just 5 common verbs: get, have, give, take, and want. Let's make English simple, natural, and confident together. Get, useful in every situation. Get me some water, please. Can you get the door? Let's get some fresh air. I need to get ready. Get out of the car. Did you get the message? Get dressed for the party. Get the keys quickly. Get yourself something nice. Don't get too excited. Have, use it like a native. I have a meeting today. Have you seen my phone? Let's have lunch together. Can we have a break? You have nothing to lose. I have good news. Do you have any change? We have a small problem. Have fun at the game. Div, polite and powerful. She gave me a gift. Don't give up yet. Can you give me time? Give the kids some space. I'll give you a ride. Give me some more information. Please give me your hand. Give him a second chance. Take everyday usage. Take this bag with you. Please take a seat here. Take a deep breath first. Can I take your order? Take your time to decide. Take her advice seriously. He took the wrong turn. Let's take a short walk. Take an umbrella. It's raining. Take notes during the meeting. Want. Express clearly. Do you want some coffee? I want to go home. They want to see you. I don't want any trouble. I want to visit Paris. Practice these phrases daily and watch your fluency grow fast.